What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Livermore, out in the East Bay, Northern California. In the San Francisco Premium Outlets. I don't know why the hell it's called San Francisco Premium Outlets. But yeah, I do have a Nike outlet out here. Seems like a tourist trap. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, let's go see what's up. Let's go see what they got. All right, this might be the Nike Citadel version of Northern California because there's a line. First spot I've seen in Northern California with a line. All right, let's go. Let's go see what's up. They got the 20% off, yeah. That's what's up. All right, so they do have the 20% off for members. It also says it in Chinese, which usually means tourist trap, and usually not too much hype. But let's find out. Let's practice all that. Oh snap! This is one of the smaller outlets. I was not aware. This is the first time I've ever been here. All right, let's look in the clearance section. Dang it! I should have got a Napa. Wait. Oh man, never mind. Oh, Debo, because I don't know. Is he gonna stay with the Niners? Is he not? I don't know. Bosa, 130. You do get that 20% off. I think I have a 10%. I don't want no Garoppolo. This black one looks dope, but I don't want no damn Garoppolo. Debo, do I want a Debo jersey? This is fire. I am such a fan. Bosa is legit as well. Well, that takes care of it with the Bosa. They only have up to size medium. Medium doesn't fit because I got a big head, so it doesn't fit. The large is due. Large does fit, so Debo Samuels. Do I get a Debo Samuels jersey? Do I do it? Think about it. It's interesting because both of these are the on-field jerseys, but this is the regular on-field jersey. It's like the numbers are pressed on and stuff. And then this is the 75th anniversary one. Look, the numbers are stitched on, or it looks stitched on at least. And then it has this 75th anniversary thing on it and stuff. Damn, I'm gonna have to ask them to see if they have a large. If they do, I'm gonna grab this one. This is normally 170. It also says on field though. That's what's tripping me out. But this is normally 130. It looks like. All right, I'm not gonna get the budget one. So I'm busy looking here. I'm like, yeah, they don't have a medium. And then you turn around. What the hell? Man, they got all kinds of stuff right here. Yeah, they got the Bosas. They got them in large right here. I'm so dumb. All right, looks like. Oh man, I didn't want to spend money like that. These would be close to $100. It would be over $100 actually. But normally 170. And you know, he is pretty much our best player right now. They also got the Kittle jersey. Already got that one. More of the Garoppolos. Damn, I'm gonna chill. These would be a little over 100, and then I still have a birthday coupon left from last month. I think I have like a couple days to use it. Dang, it would go down to a little under 100, but I need to chill, dude. I've already bought 2 Niners jerseys, and then I bought like 4 or 5 NBA jerseys this year already, so I need to chill. Dang. Dude, got these hoodies right here, the Jordan 2 hoodies, where he's wearing the Jordan 2, but those are going for $70. It is under retail. Retail's $100. Can we talk about these hoodies? Are they? I don't know. Are they? All right, let's go fight these crazy crowds. These are pretty dope. Those Blazers. All right, let's go fight this crazy crowds here. See what they got. All right, look at the crowds. And then just everywhere you turn, crowds. Do got some LeBrons going for $170. You do get that 20% off. Oh, they don't have 20% off the wall here though, unlike the other spot. Ooh, that's interesting. So it's just regular 20% off for members. Yeah, no 20% off the hash out like usual. Wow. Damn. I was just talking to someone. The homie was right. All right, do got these bad boys go for $185. This is size 10.5. Okay, some Jordan 36s. Got a ton of these LeBrons. Blazer Low acronyms going for $140. Tempo Next percent Flyknits go for $110. It is crazy because just earlier, you guys saw it in yesterday's video, they were giving out 20% off in the hash and 20% off memberships, and now it's way different here. That's why you gotta shop around and go to different spots, dude. Terra Vistas go for $110. Got these ugly looking things. What the hell are these? The Equator Free Trail Mocks going for 160. That's 10, 11 and a half though. 190 for these. Wow. Size 15 now, 140. No discounts on none of this stuff. Air Max 90s right here. Size 12, 115 for the. Oh my god. Oh my god. We saw these for what? $40 at that other spot. Then the huge sizes, the Jordan Zoom separates go for $110. These are only a 12 too. Smaller sizes now. Do got the LeBrons. These look way small. They're 8.5. Oh, okay. I thought I was in the 9.5 section. Well, everything's just mixed around everywhere. 8.5 for these. What do these go for? What do these go for? Retail. Got these LeBrons. These the Be True ones or something? I don't know. But okay. They go for 195. Size 9.5. 6 rings right here going for 170, 9.5. ACGs right here. Some mocks going for $80. Dang. Alright, let's check out some of the aisles, I guess, and check out the apparel. Niner jerseys were dope. Usher in the background. I haven't heard this song in forever. Witness 5s. Plenty of colors. You got the red, or the bread ones. You got the Oreo. 18 lows. Flytrap 4s, ton of the Kyrie Low 5s, 2 different displays. Oh, did I skip the Jordans? Not really. Some Renews, Delta 2s, Go Flyies, Hippie 1s, Air Flight 89s, Air Max 2090s, Hirachis. Got some Prestos right here. Dang, I think the dopest thing are the jerseys and the music here. Like got Usher playing. That's it. All this generic stuff, that generic stuff. Barbershop dunks. Okay, those are pretty dope. So I haven't seen the black ones. I've only seen the white ones. These are size 8.5 right here. Okay. All right, so that was definitely a surprise. He's waiting for that. Air Max 2019s. Another one of these. Infinity Run Flyknits. Another one of those. Just got decent running shoes, I guess. Invincible Run Flyknits. All right, so there's a few people waiting for these. They have multiple sizes. That's hella surprising. I don't think I need them though. They got that little thing right there. Yeah, 20% off. You're right, huh? Only had a few sizes, 8, 7.5, 14. Don't need any of those. Dude got more of these. Okay. Dang, dude. They're telling me I should buy them, but I need to stay away. These shorts are actually, they're too short, but these are dope. $75 though. They're not that dope. Dang. And then clearance, like they're not even offering like any extra. Usually they offer like extra. I have the top that matches this. $90, like no additional sales. I did check the counter to see if they had anything back there. Nothing. Damn, it's all about the jerseys and let's go. All right, let's check out the women's section real quick too. Pretty solid deal, especially with the 20% off. That'll come down to like what, 130? So you got some Vaporfly Next Percent. Regular price for that, what the hell? Infinity Run Flyknit. Another one of those. Another one. Sound like DJ Khaled now. Some Pegasus. These are the Fly Ease versions. Pegasus 38. Pegasus Trails 37. And then this monstrosity of stuff. The Air Max DNAs. Air Max Access. In-season trainer renews. I don't know. All right, I think that's it. That's pretty decent. Cortez leathers. These are the Forrest Gump Cortez. That's actually pretty dope. This is a women's sizing. And then the Air Max 90s. And women's clearance, really not much. The 20% off is dope, but they don't offer that extra 20 here. All right, I think I'm gonna go to one more Nike store. Actually I'm gonna go to a couple more. But I think I'm gonna add the Nike retail store. There's one not that far from here, so let's go there. Yeah, this is definitely the most packed Nike outlet out in Northern California. This is just insane. Big time tourist trap. All right, let's go. On to the next one. Damn, the Vans outlet line is longer than the Nike outlet line. What the hell? That's crazy. I've never seen that before. All right, next stop, City Center in Bishop Branch. I guess that's where we're at. There's a Nike retail shop here. I think this is San Ramon, right? Let's go check them out. I did find it. This just opened just a month or two ago. Pretty new store. All right, let's go. All right, I'm looking, see if they have any returns or anything. Kind of reminds me of like a bigger Nike Glendale. Dude got some J's right here. Okay, they're all mids. They're just mids, that's it. Surprised to see certain things with 20% off signs. Okay. These are pretty clean. Got some blazers right here. $100 for these bad boys. These are pretty clean. Like, it's suede, it's super long hair. $100. Okay. Got Forces right here. Air Force Ones. $110 now, right? They gone up $10. Now checking the women's section. Pretty uneventful, I'm not gonna lie. Do got Jordans here over in the women's section as well. Got some lows, some mids. There's some shadow mids right here. Got some yellow ones right here, and then these bad boys with the super hair long suede. Like, did I say super hair long? Super long hair suede. Got those bad boys. Okay. And got 20% off signs right here. Air Max 270s, $160 now. 20% off. Some Fontankas right here with the React. And then Kawachis. Okay. I did see people asking if they had a certain thing, and they said, oh, we got one of those. I didn't hear what it was though. So I guess, let me check the Nike app. Let me see what they got. Dang, dude, dang. I drove so out the way to check the spot out for y'all. But pretty plain, dude. Pretty plain. They might have some returns. All right, let's go. We're done. We're done. All right, guys. The jerseys were freaking dope. The barbershop dunks were pretty dope. They only had limited sizing though. But yeah, man, I really thought about the jerseys. I just bought way too much. This spot was pretty disappointing. They didn't really have much at all. Like, they didn't even have any returns. I thought they'd have some returns or something. But yeah, I hope you guys appreciate what I'm doing for the channel. Like, I drove like a ton today, trying to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible. There is one more. I'm gonna go to the clearance store right now to see what they got. That's the spot I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content. But yeah, make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. I'm gonna get in my huge Spark right here, and that's what it's called, right? The Spark. And then we're gonna get the hell out. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.